Am I the asshole for forcing my parents to disown my gay brother? I, 28 female, hate my brother, male 30. He was always the golden child. I was a mistake to my parents because they never wanted a girl, and I was fussy, so I annoyed my mother. My brother hated me too and kept telling lies to my parents about me. If he stole something, he would blame me and they believed him. He sabotaged all of my relationships. He's bullied me. He forced my friends against me. My parents always took his side. I managed to get a scholarship, so I left home for college as soon as I could. He stayed in my hometown, renting a place near my parents, paid for by them, of course. They all eventually stopped contacting me and never sent me any money for help. I live in another state now, and when I got married, my family was invited, but they didn't even bother showing up to the wedding. But beside all that, I have a great family with one beautiful child and another one on the way. And my husband has been nothing but amazing. Anyways, my parents are very traditional. Male head of the family tradition and all that crap. So my brother coming out as gay shocked them. They were furious because they demand blood-related descendants to carry on the family name. They aren't okay with my brother adopting or surrogating, and they will only accept a proper marriage. So out of the blue, my brother contacted me. Wow, like for part 2. So out of the blue, my brother contacted me. Apparently, my parents will disown him unless he fixes the relationship with me. He was freaking out because he lives off of their money and he's never worked. They want to fix the relationship so they can claim my children. They think that he's the only reason that I drifted from the family, but it's not just his fault. I actually really blame my parents. He actually flew to my state and cried a lot, blaming all of his bullying on the stress from being in the closet, yada yada yada. I told him to F off. My family is dead to me and I don't care about him. Well, now he's saying that I'm petty, and he's saying it's ridiculous that I'm willing to ruin an adult's life over childhood slights. Also, now he's randomly saying that I'm homophobic because I won't support him. It's nothing to do with the fact that he's gay. I just hate him as a person. I absolutely refuse to be back in contact with my parents, especially since the only reason they want a relationship with me is because they want blood-related grandbabies now that their golden child has failed them. So, am I the asshole for refusing to let my family back into my life?